the population variance is unknown. The father of a senior high school student is listing down to expenses he will incur when he sends his daughter to the university. At the university where he wants the daughter to study, he hears the average tuition fee at least 200,000 per semester. He wants to do a test of hypothesis. Suppose from a simple random sample of 16 students, a sample mean of 19,750 was obtained. Further, the variable of interest, which is the tuition fee in the university, is said to be normally distribution with an assumed population variance equal to 160,000 at level of significance above 5% of 0.05.
We are done formulating the non-particular hypothesis.
Step 2. Identify the test statistic to use, which the given level of significance and distribution of this statistic. State the decision rule and specify the rejection region.
What will be the appropriate test statistics to be used? Test statistics. With the known population variance, we can use G-test as our test statistics to be used given though our number of samples is less than 30 or more than or equal to 30 samples. And we will be using the G-table as our critical or tabular value. If the population variance is unknown, and the number of samples is less than 30, then we will be using t-test of the test statistics follows the student's t-distribution with n minus 1 degrees of freedom, which means the tabular value in the student's table, t-table will be used as a critical or tabular value. In the given problem, the appropriate test statistics to be used is G-test since the population variance is known. And this is the formula. G sub C equals X bar minus by standard deviation divided square root of n.
Decision rule. The decision rule can be one of the following possibilities. So this is the example of the decision rule. Number 1 is reject the null hypothesis. HO is Z sub C less than negative Z sub A, otherwise we fail to reject HO. Number 2 is reject the null hypothesis HO greater than Z sub A, otherwise we fail to reject the HO. And number 3 is reject the null hypothesis HO if Z sub C greater than Z sub A over Z, otherwise we fail to reject HO. So this is the example of region. So mine negative 4, negative 3, negative 2, then positive na ni. So 1 and 0, 1, 2, 3, and 4.
For make a decision rule where the compute value of the test statistic equal to
Less than negative Z sub A. Ay, gana dahil ma'am.
Ulo gamay day.
Step 5 is the conclusion. Lastly, as a consequence of the decision, conclusions are made which are in relation to the purpose of the test of hypothesis. With the rejection of the null hypothesis, we will accept the alternative hypothesis. Conclusion. Therefore, the father can say that I can say that the average efficiency in the university where he wants his daughter to study is less than 20,000.
Step 3. The value of the test statistic. From the given problem, these are the observation data gathered, sample random, and equal 16. Population mean equal 120,000, then sample mean x squared equals 19,750. Population variance equal 160,000, and population standard deviation equals square root cube and equals square root of 600,000 equals 400. Population variance standard deviation square root of 9.
Taw-tawa dito. Kataunan mo ba kang ganina?
Nanatay na, ma'am.
Yun sa man pagkuha, ma'am.